Hey, what's up everybody? I got a 2012 Toyota Camry. I'm getting this key indicator light. It's a green key. Let me see if I can start the car. So I start the car and now it's an orange key light. Man, I'm getting terrible footage there. Hold on. Anyways, so when that key light is doing that, you need a new battery in your key. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we got to get a 2032 key battery. It's for this guy. You want to take the shank out. You just push this button on the side and then pull the shank out from the bottom. It just comes out like that. Set that to the side. Then we're going to get a flathead, or like if you're at home, like a butter knife. And there's a little spot right there in the center. You're going to put your flathead or butter knife in there and just twist it sideways, and it'll pop these side cases apart like that. I'll show you. Yep. And then there's our key, and then all you got to do is pop that out. Again, it's a 2032. Links in the description for a new one. Right here on the side is a decent spot. You don't want to break these little tabs that hold it in, but you can just come on from the side and with your other hand hold it, and then just kind of gently pop that up. Once this comes out, we'll set it to the side. Got my new one here. Again, check the description and comments for links. And then we'll put this new battery in. And you want to be gentle putting it in because you don't want to pop those little tabs. But basically, you just kind of push it in. And kind of you can go in at an angle and push it in. Once it's in, we're going to close this. This should snap together. And if the key doesn't work, then you put the battery in upside down or something. I don't know. Put the shank in, test it out. Cool. And then inside the car, when I started the car, last time I was getting that key warning light. So now when I start my car, the light's gone. And also if you're like unlock and lock wasn't working, now it should work. And now you notice the light's gone. And that's how you do it, guys, on a 2012 Toyota Camry. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.
You're pretty good.